What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. You already know my name is Eboh, and today I'm back at the most notorious hood in Enugu State, located in Nigeria. And today I returned to show some. So actually, before I go on, I made a video earlier about this place, and I'm so much grateful that most of you guys show a lot of concern about the hood, and some of you were willing to share the video so that other people can see it, and some of you were also very willing to contribute, because when I made this video, I posted the video just to highlight and show people how this place look like, and also I decided to make an open campaign so that anyone that can assist to bring assistance to this hood can do so. So at the end of the day, someone donated 5,000 naira, and me taking it, 5,000 naira couldn't do much. Well, with the purpose of the video, with the purpose of the campaign, which is putting on lights and putting on some water in the hood. So today I decided, with the 5,000 naira donated, and with revenue I have, with the revenue I made last month, with some of the revenues I made some months, so I wanted to buy some things and visit Obiagu people and show them some love, just as much as I can, as little as I can. So that's it. So guys, basically we are back in Obiagu hood. Good afternoon, man. No, man, can't look what to do. Papa no around. Hey, until good evening, Kevin. Nkilu get to go now. Nkilu get to go like this. Where you commit? Okay. Watch it. Catch me, Jugi. Matoya Eboh.
Why not?
Eh, keki se mata. Okay. Once about I say I be today. You go. Can people na you could that day with just on. Let go. So from our own side, I say I be. I be of Indomie. Of rice. Nenka no one today. So can we support so you go. We believe that tomorrow is better. Take go be again. I don't have any to go.
I'm going to say to
Take him, man. Okay. This is what I'm saying. The good year. We will yours on chocolate idea and in Yota. Just go where the back man.
Ebohmedia supporting financially.
I believe by tomorrow, or maybe next in the future, I get more better things that will come inside the community.
Amen. Ebohmedia, the spiritual man and the vibes.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Nothing, no problem, sir. No problem, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir. Do you remember me?
Sometimes.
I came around here I think that was 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. So I was actually asking you about the hood. What do you think about the hood and all that, and how you guys were living? Do you actually remember?
Yes, I remember, but I'm sorry, I'm this world, but I'm not of the world.
Okay, all right. So today I came back, from my church mind. I feel like after interviewing the whole people, I feel like I want to give small thing back to the hood. I don't know if you would like to accept the little thing I have for you.
Well, my father ate with his sinners. So you gave me advice. If sinners give me some food, anything, make I accept. But okay. I don't have to do the sinful things or sinful life they are living.
But you can eat, you can dine with the sinners.
That is what Jesus Christ of Nazareth, where I belong. That's the instruction he gave me.
Okay.
I can eat with sinners, but I cannot commit sin.
Okay. Okay, so today I just have something, just a little thing for you, you know, just to forge ahead and hope for better things tomorrow.
Thank you for your recognizing me.
Let's take this one.
Oh, better thing for me.
Yeah.
I'm grateful.
So how do you feel?
Thank you.
How do you feel?
I feel very excited.
Okay.
Because I never expect it.
You know that
all
time,
these things are from above.
You know that time I asked you one.
Because I didn't level for it.
You know that time I asked you one question.
No.
But you didn't answer me very well. I said, what do you think about this food?
Well, like I said, I told you, I'm a kingdom man.
Okay.
I'm not a church man, another worldly man. I'm always focus attention on things above, not to things on earth.
Okay. Yeah, I know. All right. Thank you so much for your time. I'm happy to see you again.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Yeah, guys. So far, you have seen how everything has been going, and most of them are very grateful that we came back, and hopefully, you know, better things will be done for the people of Obiagu. Like I told you earlier, when I made this video, when I posted video, most of you showed a very big concern about the reality in this hood, and most of you wanted to do something but you couldn't. So this is what I'm doing now, is just from my revenue of the month, you know, just to show some love for these people. Actually, I don't have much to focus more on the big project, which is fixing the lights and also the water project. I asked you guys to try to contribute or try to donate for, but I want to do this one based on my own, from my own, you know, based on how I feel and how I want to give back to the people of Obiagu. So guys, let's continue. Let's look for the other. You want to know this? I found you that day. You know, my Bible, and that day. Okay, girl. Kevin, hello. Cannot skin in a body in a shop. Okay, Mr. Badon, Bible, I have a mommy guy and a mommy you so like everything's ready. So I want return your tago. Can you know some things? Your tago come where it be. Okay, no, tell that them ever. Bye, ever. Okay, Mr. Badon. So, Nenka, mommy, but on our way, mommy, but the way you put your filter. No. What you done? With this one. Well, I support one. God bless you. Bye bye. High five. Come on. High five. Give me a high five. You're a good girl. Okay. No, bye bye. So guys, so far it has been going very well. As you can see, the woman, she wasn't around, she went to the market, so we gave the stuff we brought to the children. Master Lewis, how do you feel about the hood? This is your first time here, right?
Not really my first time. I visited it during my school days. Enugu State University of Science and Technology.
Okay.
But I didn't have to go every part of the hood. I've always known Obiagu to be a slum in Enugu, and really, I'm so grateful.
Bye-bye.
I'm so grateful because this is not even your state, and all the way you came over. I'm an origin of this state, and it's so shocking. It's so shocking seeing a brother doing this thing for my own people, you know.
Yeah. 1 minute today. That's my ambition again. I'm phone. I'm phone. Okay, on agakwa.
If you shake it with her.
What are the Oluwa game, Mara?
Oh, Papa, I make what I.
Take you said, I'm
here, they quite 150, they quite 100.
150, 100.
Hey, Papa.
So, get it soft. We okay at that?
I'll be safe, can't tell you that more. I never that I'll be away for a long time.
Yes. Very good, take you said, 50. 50.
I'm an angry unit, 100.
It was already inside that. I mean, one more children, I just to sick because with the lips we have, I support the 2000, the guy will support you.
Papa, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Oh no, yeah. Good afternoon. I'm at Bereka. Take you, man. Longest time.
No, see.
You go back here?
Papa, come watch it. I can't walk on. I get my tag. I
like more, but you move.
I say I have phone. No tell her. Yeah.
Thank you.
That's no, bro. No, the one much. That's no, I the other go. Tomorrow, I believe that tomorrow there is a brighter future tomorrow. You go. If I didn't make an idea, I say I be.
I need soon go to na risk. I'm here na konu.
Amen.
You can when here na more. You can be here na more.
Nobody here. Amen.
On a many room, I know now.
So, amen.
Amen. You get that you know some can get you now.
So, amen.
Oh my God, the kitchen in each other.
So, amen.
Some gabos on me, no some me at the
amen.
I can't get the kaya water to me. I can't show one.
Amen.
I got that. I can't name now from the way you find this. No, I don't know.
Amen.
Eboh na bora hu badge bu na gaza. Una ga ma pia we ga na ma pia bu ezebide ni go goda na mona. Okay bana woke ha. Okay the job. Aga dinu na ma o papa.
Amen. So nobody I go tell you see because manager no. Name arise.
Oh, it's one that if you come also. Anyway go sell mo no.
Amen.
Thank you.
Yeah. Daalu no.
One bye no.
Anu close I ga biakwa again.
So bad home. Ebe ni sunu ga na di.
Now so we believe.
Eti mi kire nke nna m yem steri mgbe nọ na afọ nne m we kwuo kwa anyị sunu niile.
I believe you. Amen.
Inu ga na-edi ga na-adachiri n'ụzọ. Nke ga-edi na aga afọ na ya.
Okay.
Ọ bụgodị na ego dị n'ọkụ unu banye ebe ahụ ga-ewere ga-apụta ọma na.
Daalu. Bye bye.
Oh, bye. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
So by the way, the ladies are so excited. They appreciated everything we did, you know. As you can see, the amount of blessing she showered on us and all that. So actually it's a very heartfelt something for me. Oh, he's around. One more. KJ.
Idea.
Longest time.
Now, thank God.
Okay, no try.
Why not? No.
Cake is a matter.
No, must be there. I'm going to see for that.
Okay. So what na ask I be again. You go a little bit of encouragement. You go by the way the video team made that time, so people were like really interested in you. Just manager, I believe that tomorrow you fed the maga. Bigger ones will come.
No. I want to contact bigger. Hey, you're on phone. I want to bigger.
Wow.
You say you want to talk. You have to know. How are you? Is that a baby? You're a baby. Wow. How old is the baby?
No, 1 month on.
1 month and okay, now you baby. Congrats. What's her name? A boy or a girl?
Boy.
A boy. Okay. Have her.
She's a.
She's okay. Congrats. Anne. Going one. Eh. No mbo sa bere ba.
An me shinu ri afia na.
Eh. Where you shina?
Ya akwu ka shi na oku ya.
Ofaku. Okay. So guys, the video has come to an end. You guys have seen how everything went down. Like I told you guys at the beginning of this video, I came back just to show some love to these people, and I want to shout out to the one person that donated 5,000 naira for the people of Obiagu. I really appreciate you from wherever you're watching. God bless you, and thank you also for those of you that have watched this video and shared and liked the video. Thank you so much. You guys made everything possible today. So as you can see that the women we visited and the people we visited here, they were, you know, very happy and grateful that we came around. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I will see you when next time I upload. Any last word, guys?
Ebohmedia. Keep doing what you're doing. Ebohmedia.
And by the way, I want to thank you guys for, you know, assisting me on this one. Yeah. All right. So guys, I'll see you next time I talk to you. Cody. Peace.